Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In our previous lecture, we have learned about page transition. Today, we are going to learn about timing in Canva. Timing is the most important feature of videos and presentation because it controls how long each page stay on the screen before moving to next one. By using the right timing, your video becomes smoother, easier to understand, and more professional. Let's start it. So learning objectives are understanding timing in Canva, change page duration, set different timing for each page, create smooth videos and presentation. So, most important question is, what is timing? Timing controls the duration of each page in Canva videos or presentation. For example, 3-second video, quick display, 5-second video, standard display, 10-second video, longer explanation. Choosing the right timing helps viewer to read content comfortably. So firstly, open Canva. Okay, let it open. And then I will tell you next step. Next step is click on template. Now select Instagram story template. Okay, now create blank. Now click on create blank. And here add 2 to 3 videos to explain you. I will add to explain you this one. Yes. Open. Next, and I will add. Also see the crown on the videos are paid. And now we are doing free lectures. After third module, we will start fourth module with Canva Pro. Okay? Now add more page and okay. Here I have add 3 pages. Now I will select first page and set the duration to click on first page and duration to 3 seconds, like yes, complete 3 seconds. Now select the page number 2 and timing duration is, I will select 5. Okay, now page number, where it gone? Yeah. Now select page number 3 and I will add 7 seconds. Okay. Click on play to review your timing. Now watch. Trust in the Lord with just keep moving forward. Okay? Now reminder. Notice how each page stay on the screen for selected duration. Adjust the timing until the video feels smooth and easy to follow. Some real example. Title page need 3 seconds. Main content need 5 to 6 seconds. Ending page need 3 seconds. This create balance and professional viewing experience. Common mistake setting page too short to read. Make every page the same duration, ignoring the time of voiceovers or music. Not preview your video before exporting. Some pro tips. Keep your text heavy page screen longer. Make page timing with your voiceovers. Preview your design before exporting. Adjust timing based on the audience and constraint. So you have to practice this, okay? So today we have learned about timing feature in Canva. We have changed the duration of pages and preview the results like this results and learn how proper timing improve the overall quality of videos and presentation. Reminder, good timing keep your audience engaged and make your content easy to understand. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Practice adjusting page timing in different projects and see how to improve your videos. In next lecture, we will learn about Magic Resize, a powerful Canva feature, and it led you to connect one design with multiple sizes, with just one click. If you have any question, any confusion, let me know in comment section. I will surely reply you. And do your practice and tag me on Instagram. I will reshare your stories. Allah Hafiz. See you in next lecture. Bye bye. Happy designing.